I'd like to introduce Marcus, who's our Air and Allied contact this year and has been helping us through sponsorship with some driver gear.
So what we're going to do is do a little basic quick presentation of the items that we've got for you. First one, very happy with your new race suits. So hopefully you'll be very happy with your new OMP suits. So looking pretty cool. So you got your suits, so there we go. Your gloves, you've got your gloves all set up. The suit is also registered with OMP, so you can't touch the suit or stitch to it. There's multiple sizes of gloves for all the team. And then your new shoes as well. So ta-da, I'll give those to you guys so you can have a bit of a play with those. So you got your new shoes. They all have their bags to store them in, so I know you guys will look after your new equipment. New helmets as well. Also the latest spec helmets. To make sure you're safe, we want to keep you safe. So we not only supply you with your steering couplers and all the other bits and pieces, helping you with imports as we've done with your motors from Germany. There we go. So there's your new helmets. So there they are. Ta-da! So you got 4 of those helmets.
We got them all lined up behind there too.
So what I'd do is, if you wanted to, open them up, have a look.